Hi everyone, how are you? So this will be our second video on the Agentic AI series. Who did understand what is Agentic AI in the previous video and how Agentic AI can be utilized in the cybersecurity domain? Okay, but there is a very important concept that you need to understand that will be agent-based thinking. Okay, or I can say the agentic thinking. How you actually create an agentic AI and what things you need to be considered while you are developing one. Okay, and this is called the agentic thinking. When you're building an agentic AI, there will be like three different components you need to understand, okay, that need to be there whenever you are building one, okay. The agent, whatever your like agentic AI you are building, it need to be autonomous, okay. It need to have a sense of adaptability, and other than that, it need to be it can make context-aware decisions, okay. It don't need to be like you don't need to have us like hard-coded playbooks on what steps need to be done. It need to have a context-aware decision-making capability in a way that okay, it can change the steps on the basis of the situation it is given. Okay, so these three things need to be considered while you are building an agentic AI. Okay, now agentic AI do have the capacity of task selection as well. Okay, it means that whenever you give a specific task to an agentic AI, rather than just like executing all those tasks that you have given, agentic AI do some context-aware decision and they realize, okay, these tasks need to be, this specific set of tasks need to be done first, and these set of tasks can be done later, or let's say there are two certain tasks that need to be done together. So it do the decision making for those tasks and do the task selection as well. Okay. Now, one more thing. Agentic AI, whenever you like create agentic AI, it's not like you just like build a bunch of scripts and you go like, okay, I have built the scripts and I will just execute the scripts and you will get the solution. It's more like you are building intelligent teammates for yourself. Okay. So consider whenever you are building one, you consider like you are building an intelligent teammate for yourself. Okay, that will do the decision making too for us for a for a specific goal. Okay, and also like I mentioned before, agentic AI is not like don't do decision that's like task specific only. Do decision on the goal specific. Okay, like you have a certain goal, you build the agentic AI according to that, and then what you do is like the agentic AI start the execution and it can change the tools whatever, like let's say you have mentioned a bunch of tools already, but the agentic AI realize, okay, these tools might not give effective results on the basis of that goal you have given, or of the goal you want to achieve or the task you have given. So it will be go like do the task the tool selection as well, like okay, what tool need to be used and what tool need to be replaced. So that decision making is done by agentic AI too. Okay, and this need to have, so agentic thinking also give you like three different tasks that you need to achieve. Okay, or you need to consider while you're building an agentic AI. First will be you need to build workflows that can adopt. Okay, you need to define a feedback loop, because whatever results it has generated, it need to feedback itself again so that you can improve it in the next run. Okay, and also other than that, it doesn't need to have like hard coded steps. It need to have a flexibility in a way that it can choose steps on the basis of the situation. Okay, so you need to like consider these things. That's it for the agentic thinking. Okay, and that's how like if you consider these things, your AI agent will have a very better capability in performing the real world scenarios. Okay,